Do you want to see a rapid acceleration in your home's equity? Most people, the equity in their home is one of the largest assets that they actually have over the course of their entire lives. So who wouldn't want to see that asset grow, see their home's equity grow? What's up, guys? Michael Baird here with Baird Group Realty. Hey, we are at a very unique point in time right now where we have the potential over the next 6 to 8 months to see a massive spike in the equity in your home. So if you're thinking about buying a home, if you're on the fence, if you're waiting for rates to come down, I want to tell you today why now might be that unique opportunity where you can get in and be very thankful you did. So we've seen interest rates come down over 1% off their high about 6 weeks ago. So we're seeing those rates coming down and people are starting to notice. We're also seeing a little bit of an ease in inflation. We've seen gas prices come down, a few other things. We're starting to feel a little bit better about that. On top of that, the third key thing, we've seen the Fed say that they're not going to raise rates anymore. And not only that, but we are predicting 5 rate cuts next year by the Fed. So rates will most likely continue to come down into 2024. Now, the one thing we aren't quite seeing yet is the media getting on board and talking about all of this positivity. There's still a lot of negativity about the market, about the real estate market, and about the economy in general. So as soon as the media gets on board and starts reporting all these positives, what we're going to have happen is a ton of people get off the fence. Once that happens, I think we can all agree prices are going to go up, competition's going to go up, and people who bought a while ago are going to start seeing that raise in equity. It's a lot like we saw in 2021, 2022. People bought a home and a few months later, their home value was up 8-10%. So if you've been thinking about buying a home, we are seeing everything line up for you to have that massive spike in equity. The great thing is you can always refinance in 6 to 8 months if rates do come down, but when you refinance, you do not have that competition. So if you've been thinking about getting into a home, if you look at it as a long-term asset, you have the potential to get a big bump in your equity if you buy a home here in the next few months. If you have any questions about that, about what we're forecasting with the real estate market, reach out anytime. Any of us here at Baird Group Realty are happy to help, and we love talking about the real estate market.